welcome to this wonderful encounter. My name is Willie B. Bedell. I am the partner for this program. I'm going to be one of the moderators here. Um,
We started at volume occupied by a fixed amount of gas is directly proportional to the temperature provided that pressure is constant.
Provided the pressure is constant. And what is the answer?
Take Charles' law.
Charles' law is precise for 10 points.
Closeness of a measurement to its accepted value that of a particular quantity or the
Hey, you guys are into your stuff,
referred to as what?
If I may accept your position,
Accuracy.
accuracy is correct for 10 points.
okay, hello, folks. Welcome to a continuation of the round 32. At this point in time, I think we realize that most of the folks out there, including our students, might be watching the county meet. However, we got to do what we got to do, and we have to play these outstanding games. Not to waste a lot of time today, we just move over to the folks from Lofa County. To that is the Kormah Shepherdhold Mission School. It's going to be playing the Dream School system. Shepherdhold is from Lofa County, and Dreams is from Bassa County. So Shepherdhold, please go ahead and give us 60 seconds of your intro.
Here with me in studio, I brought one brilliant scholar, but he will better introduce himself.
I'm Milton Kovarimi Constant.
Serving as the indictary, I'm successful suspensive Mr. Genius Kinjin Nama Loazin Jr. But playing to the quiz bowl, I remain M. Arrow. Loua, Mr. Loa. I pause, Virgin.
All right, thank you, Mr. Loa. Were his last words. Move over to the Dream School system. I'll give you another 60 seconds to take care of your introduction.
Representing the Drims school system for the general quiz bowl, here come two scholars. On the first question is Michael Tia Junior. Follow refers to me as Michael. And Charleston Roland Brown is my name, and I remain Charleston Roland Brown.
All right.
So, folks, we want to say you are highly welcome again. My name is Thomas Kikape Jr. And for this match, just call me T-Math.
All right. Thank you. My name is Willie B. Bedell. So, Kormah, what is going to be your boozing point?
K.
Dream School System. What is going to be your boozing point?
D.
D. Thomas, are you set?
Sure.
All right. We're moving again with starting with question number one. And I read. The question is going to be number one, and this is going to be your first question. The melting of a substance under pressure and the refreezing.
D.
Complete.
The melting of a substance under pressure in the refreezing after the pressure is released is referred to as what moderator.
It's called what?
Retillation.
Take 10. The question is going to be number two. The question here is going to be number two. The question is going to be number two. This is the game between Shepherdhold from Lofa County and Dream School System from Bassa County. The question is number two. Balance the chemical equation. Balance the chemical equation. CH subscript 4 plus O subscript 2
O
gives you
subscript 2.
CO subscript 2 plus
Veteran,
H
veteran,
subscript 2O.
veteran,
I come again.
veteran. Please read the question. All
I
right.
come again. Balance the chemical equation. CH subscript 4 plus O subscript 2 give you or yield CO subscript 2 plus H subscript 2O. One more time. Balance the chemical equation. CH subscript 4 plus O subscript 2 yield CO subscript 2 plus H subscript 2O.
Plus A subscript 2, right?
Yeah, H subscript 2O.
D. D. Yeah. Two. I read D, veteran. D. O boost.
Your answer. Your answer.
2CH4 plus space O2E 2CO2 plus 4H2O.
I won't take that. I won't take that. Balance the chemical equation. C subscript H plus O subscript 2 yield CO subscript 2 plus H subscript 2O.
K.
KKK.
Get 4 CH subscript 4 plus O subscript 2 E 2 CO subscript 2 plus 2H subscript 2.
And you're wrong. The answer is CH subscript 4 plus 2 O subscript 2 U CO subscript 2 plus 2H 2O. And we'll move on to the third question. Questions number 3. The region of sister chromatids where they are joined together is called what?
D.
DDD.
Chromatin.
K.
Chromatin. I won't take that. I read the question for you.
Veteran.
I read the question for you. You're not the first. I read the question for you. The region of sister chromatids where they are joined together is called what?
K.
K.
The metaphrase.
And you're wrong. It's the centromere. Centromere.
Yeah.
Centromere. I'm gonna stop it over to you.
So, folks, if you are just joining us, the score is 0-0, and the first 3 questions has been read.
No, 10,
We move
10,
yeah.
10, 10, 0,
10.
10, 10, Thomas.
Central man, look at the question I read back.
Let's change the score. Okay, let's change the score here. Turn to what, Dream?
Yes. Go ahead. Just go ahead.
So if you are just joining us, the score is 10 to Drims and 0 to Kormah. 3 questions has been read. And we move on to the 4th question. Without much time to waste, we go directly with question number 4. The question is question number 4, and I read for both schools. A cohesive mass of food that has been chewed and mixed in the mouth with saliva move to the stomach
D,
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 Into
D,
the
D.
D,
Repeat
stomach,
my
D.
question.
into the stomach with a phone like a ball. It's referred to as one motivator.
And what is the answer?
Bullous.
Bullous. Bullous is precise for 10 points. The question is question number 5, and I repropose schools. A device for changing alternating current
D,
to
D,
direct
D,
current.
D, D.
D,
Or
D, D,
changing
D.
alternating current into direct current is referred to as one motivator.
And what is your answer?
Transformer.
You are wrong. Come on, your question. Now read.
Yep.
A device for changing alternating current to direct current. It's called what?
K.
Okay. What is the answer?
D.
Time. And the correct and precise answer is rectifier. Rectifier. The question is question number 6. First half. And I repropose schools. The tendency of a substance to interact with other substances because of intermolecular forces is referred to as what? Focus on the camera.
D.
D.
Yeah, motivator. Surface tension.
You are wrong. Come on, your answer.
Read my question version.
A, device, a tendency of a substance to interact with other substances because of intermolecular forces is called what?
Critical point.
Adhesion we have been precise. Adhesion we have been precise. And that's how we
Addition.
come to the end of question number 6. The score is 20 points to Kormah
I'm
and
relaxing
0.
myself.
Sorry, 20 points to Drims and 0 to Kormah.
All right. This is going to be question number 8. Question
Seven.
number 8. Question number
Round number
7.
seven.
Question number 7. Question number 7. Question number 7. You're right. Questions number 7. And yes, the question: a particle accelerator in which the oscillating frequency varies is
D,
called
D,
what?
D,
D, D.
D
D.
is referred to as one motivator.
What is the answer?
Synchrotron.
Take 10. The question is going to be number 8. Functional groups consisting of a carbon double bounded to oxygen and single bounded to hydroxide is referred to as what?
D, D,
K,
D,
K,
D.
K, K, K,
Double
K, K.
bounded to hydrogen. Single bounded to carbon group. Yeah. Double bounded to hydrogen. The
One,
get that
two,
more.
three, four,
Idea.
five, six. Wrong, wrong,
Idea.
wrong. A functional group consisting of a carbon double bounded to oxygen and single bounded to a hydroxide is called what?
D.
D. Yep,
Ester.
wrong. Carboxy group. Carboxy group. Carboxy group.
Carbon C2.
And this is going to be the last question to end the first half. This is going to be the last question to end the first half. A species or series of species that play an essential or important role in a community so that they become the major species to control the population within that area is called what?
D.
D.
Answer.
Kingston species.
Come again?
Kingston species.
Spell.
Kingston species.
Spell.
Virgin Kingston species.
Spell. 1, 2,
K
3. Wrong, wrong,
KINGSTOMSPE.
wrong, 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 wrong. Kormah. A species that is important to the community that regulates the population within the ecosystem of community is called what? One, two, three, four, 5, 6.
Ecological species.
The answer is keystone species. Key. Key.
Virgin.
Yeah.
Virgin.
Go ahead.
Yeah. Virgin, the pronunciation for it is
Yeah,
Keystone
but I told you
species.
to no keystone. I told you to spell. Didn't I?
I'll proceed.
All right, Thomas, over to you for the second half.
So, folks, with our march down the west, move directly into the second half. The score is 30 points to Drims and 0 to Kormah. We move directly to the second half, starting with question number 1. The question is question number 1, second half, and I read for both schools. A period of inactive humus development as a response to unfavorable environmental conditions is called what?
D.
D.
Thomas.
You're wrong. Trevor. A period of inactive humus development as a response to unfavorable environment conditions is called what?
Assimilation.
Assimilation. You are also the correct and precise answer is diapause. Diapause will have been precise. Diapause will have been precise. And that was question number 1 in the second half.
That's
Question
our
is question
question.
number
Our
2.
business.
The question is question number 2, and I read for both schools. The clouding of the normally clear lens of the eye that causes difficulty seeing through clouded lenses, which is usually at the outer layer corner of the eye, is referred to as what? The clouding of the normally clear lens of the eye that causes difficulty seeing through clouded lenses, which is usually at the outer left corner of the eye, is referred to as what?
D.
What is your answer?
Glaucoma.
You're wrong. Come on. The clouding of the normally clear lens
No
of
left,
the eye.
Virgin.
Cataract will have been precise. Cataract will have been precise. The question is question number 3, second half. And I read for both schools. Pen to paper question. Question number 3. Question is question number 3. It's 3. You made that pause. The question number 3. And I read for both schools. What is the electronic configuration of copper with atomic number 29?
S. S have two N. One S two. Two S. Two S two. One P four. 29. What is one? Yeah.
D.
Yes. Two.
D.
D. What is the answer?
Two S. Yeah. T.
1S2,
P T.
2S2,
29 so yeah.
2P3, 2P3.
You are wrong. You are wrong. Your answer. Come on.
Yeah.
Come on. Your answer. Time. The correct precise answer is 1S2, 2S2, 2P6, 3S2, 3P6, 4X1, and 3D10. And that's how we come to the end of the first three questions in the second half.
Thank you, Thomas. Keep your pen to your paper. Keep your pen to your paper. Keep your pen to your paper. Kormah, can you hear me? Say K. Kormah, say K.
K.
Dream, say D.
D.
Solve for G. Solve for G in this equation. Solve for G in this equation. T is equal to 2 pi the long root of L over G. T is equal to 2 pi the long root
The long
of L over G. Solve for
You say
G.
what? T got a 2 pi.
T is equal to 2 pi
Yeah.
the long root
The long
of
row.
L over G.
L what?
T is equal to 2 pi the long
Solve
root
what?
of L over G. Solve for G.
GT. K.
Okay,
K.
go ahead.
G will be equal to 2 pi. Frederick.
Yeah, go ahead.
G will be equal to 2 pi the long root of L over T.
You're wrong. You're wrong. Dreams, my answer.
Yeah. D.
Yes.
G equal to 4 pi the long row of L over G.
You're wrong.
Yeah, come again.
You are wrong. You're wrong. G is equal to 4 pi square L all divided by T square. G is equal to 4 pi square times L all divided by T square. The question is number 5. Question number 5. Covalent bonds between atoms in which one atom provides both electrons for the bond is called what?
Oui, Frederick.
Covalent bonds between atoms in which one atom provides both electrons for the bonds is called what?
D.
D.
K.
D.
Beta bon.
Wrong. Wrong. K. I reread the question. K. I read the question. Covalent bond between atom in which one atom provides both electrons for the bond is called what? K.
Ionization.
Nope. The answer is dative. Dative.
Federal.
You're wrong. The answer is dative bond. Dative bond. And this is going to be question number 6. This is question number 6. The transportation of material across a plasma membrane without using energy is called.
DT.
Which of the use of energy is referred to as
Federal.
Your answer.
Federal.
transport.
Take 10. K, you're not the first. All right. Thomas, can you go ahead?
Yeah.
Your score is 40, right? 40 to Dreams and 0 to Shabaru Kormah.
Yeah, 40-0. Shepherd, are you there? Hello, Shepherd, are you there? So we will kick them out and they will jump by in a few minutes because they are not here with us. So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome. We have 2 schools here in studio. Dream School System from Grand Bassa County, and we have the the Kormah Shepherdhold Mission School from Kormah Shepherdhold Mission School from Lofa County. The score is
Federal.
40 points to Dream School
Federal, boost
and
well,
0
though.
to Kormah. No, you did not. You did not. Shepherdhold were the first. In fact, you were more than 5 seconds behind them. The question. Without much time to waste, we go directly into the question. The question is question number 7. Are you guys hearing me now? Shepherdhold.
Yeah.
The question is question number 7.
Yeah.
It's a pen to paper question. I'm going to read for both schools. So if you have your pen and paper, get prepared. It's a pen to paper question. What is the equivalent rate? What is the equivalent resistor if 10? I come again. What's the equivalent resistance if 10 resistor have 500 ohms? Each are connected in parallel. I read again. What is the equivalent resistance if 10 resistors have 500 ohms each and they are connected in parallel?
K.
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 What is it? Yeah, K. What is the answer?
Yeah, the resistor is 50.
50. How you got 50?
Yeah, the resistor is equal to the voltage or the you divide the 500. I just forgetting the resistor is equal to the voltage or the Jesus, what?
How you got 50?
Or the resistor, the voltage is divided by the resistor.
Listen to me. 50 points. If that happen again, will give you minus 5 will boot you out.
Encore une
If you
fois,
cannot,
voilà.
if that happens again, we'll give you minus 5 or boot you out.
10. Fais-toi un point.
10 points. What is your point?
Yeah, fais-toi les meilleurs insertions là, il y a le plus. So, mais là, et pour la son, bien, mais giving answer.
We
Yeah,
proceed.
because
That's not a point. That's a moderating board decision to make that. That's not a point. We proceed.
Okay, let's proceed.
The score is 40 to Drims and 10 to Kormah. 40 to Drims and 10 to Kormah. Kormah, please focus on the camera. I want to see both students in the camera.
All right, veteran.
And don't look left, don't look right again. The question
All right,
is
veteran.
we have 2 more questions to come out this game. The question is question number 8. And I read for both schools. A solution selected or prepared to minimize changes in hydrogen ion concentration, which will otherwise occur as a result of a chemical reaction, is referred to as what?
Oui.
A solution selected or prepared to minimize changes in K. What is your answer?
K.
Your answer, K. What is your answer?
Apportons solution.
You are wrong. Drims. A solution selected or prepared to minimize changes in hydrogen ion concentration, which will otherwise occur as a result of a chemical reaction, is called what?
D.
Your answer.
Hydrogen solution.
You're also wrong. Buffer solution will have been preferred. Buffer solution will have been preferred. The question is question number the last question to come out this game. The question is question number last, and I read for both schools. The periodic table contains a list of 118 elements in chemistry. And all of these elements, or almost all of these elements in the periodic table are made out of the letters in the English alphabet. If so, what is the only letter that does not appear in the periodic table?
Oui, Sergeant.
I read again. I read for both schools. The periodic table contains a list of 118 elements in chemistry that are made up of almost...
D.
K, what is your answer?
Les mecs poussent les quoi blanc, Sergeant.
Jimmy, keep talking, I'll give you minus 5. That is a moderating board decision to make. So we're with them, and we would literally have to throw the question out for both schools and replace the question. We're with them, and we literally have to throw the question out for both schools and replace the question when they are back. So, folks, if you are just joining us, we want to say you are highly welcome. The score is 40 points to Dream School System and 10 points to Kormah. 40 points to Dream School System and 10 points to Kormah.
You're back.
So they are literally back. So, Kormah, we have to throw the question out for both schools and replace the question with another question. We have to throw the question out, per the rule, and replace the question with another question. So I'm going to read for both schools. The last question to come out this game, I'm going to read for both schools. The question is question number last, and I read for both schools. A molecule with a separate region or a net negative and a net positive charge, so that one end acts as a positive pole and the other acts as a negative pole, is called what?
K.
Keep.
K. What is the answer?
Protein.
Your question, dream school system. A molecule
Green.
with a separate regions or a net negative and a net positive charge, so that one end acts as a positive pole and the other acts as a negative pole, is referred to as what?
D.
D. What is the answer?
Yeah. Ionic molecule.
Tapo, we have been precise. Tapo, we have been precise. So, folks, that's how we come to the end of this wonderful encounter. The score again is 40 points to Dream School System and 10 points to Kormah. So, before turning on to Virgin PDL, firstly, I will ask Dream School System. The four questions that was answered, who answered these four questions from the school Dream School System?
That's not Ronald Brown.
And I'll move on to Shepherdhold. The only question answered from the school Shepherdhold was answered by who?
James
Can you guys
Loa.
hear me? James Loa. Okay, great.
Yeah, James Loa.
Yeah, it's confirmed. Thank you.
Okay. So thank you there, Thomas. So you are Kormah and Drims system, especially Kormah. This is your first year I think in the entire Lofa County. And our model here is simple. You are not here to win. You're not here for 10 points. We're not even here. We don't even care about your grades. And I'm speaking to everybody in studio. What we care about is the level of scholarship that you have for yourself, right? You are participating in the science games because you told yourself that you want to be identified with a STEM program, right? You want to have a future in the STEM program. That is, you want to have a future maybe in the physics area, in the chemistry area, in the biology area. If that is true, that means you want to go back now and do your own reading. You want to have all of this fundamental knowledge that will prepare you or serve as a solid foundation for you. So by the time you get there, you can have all of the knowledge that is necessary for you to go through a program, for you to turn into a doctor, for you to turn into a chemist, and for you to turn into a physicist or something like that. All right. So that's why we are here. All right. So that is going across the board to everybody that comes through this program. So Kroma, keep working, keep studying, and we appreciate you, your time, and everything you're putting in. Okay. And our deepest respect to your school team. However, you will not be moving on to the next round. Dream school system, you've progressed to the next round. You score 40 points, and you will be moving to the next round. So, Kerman, we give you 15 seconds to give us the feedback. 15 seconds.
I'm leaving to create the other link.
Kerman, are you there?
Yeah, Virgin.
Yeah, 15 seconds. Please give us the feedback.
First, let me say thank you there for the game. To say this is our first time, and literally, you know that we are being nervous. This is a big platform, and then anyway, congratulations to our opponent there, and thank you all.
Dream school system, 15 seconds. Feedback.
Yeah, firstly, we want to thank the organizing for organizing such unique tournament for all students from several countries in Liberia to showcase their talent. Yeah, it's a great idea. And to our opponent team, we encourage them to study more and to do much or better next year. Yeah.
All right.
So
Thank you.
actually,
Thank you.
we appreciate the game.
Thank you.
Everything went smooth.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. So, to the coordinators, keep doing an amazing job. You do this for the students. You volunteer your time. You should be watching your games right now, especially Lofa County.
Yeah.
But you are doing it for the kids. So,
Fortunately, Lofa is in the lead too. So,
no, I don't know the school. Don't let me put the program
oh,
aside.
you want to know the school, eh? You buy the B yesterday.
All right,
Better
guys.
easy, yo.
Yes. All right. So please join us for the next game of the day, where another school
Okay.
from Lofa County is going to be playing a school again from Bassa County. Thank you.
Okay.